Suvarna Prashan Sanskar. Suvarna Prashan is a unique Ayurvedic preparation that is known to enhance the overall health of the children. Swarn means gold and Prashan refers to act of consuming nanoparticles of Swarna Bhasma. Suvarna Prashan is considered as one of the 16 essential sanskar in our life. According to Ayurveda, our body needs to get right nourishment to support proper physical and mental development that can sustain till the old age. Suvarna Prashan is therefore recommended to be taken immediately after birth and continue till the age of 16 years. Suvarna Prashan is made up of nanoparticles of gold in the form of Swarna Bhasma mixed with honey and cow ghee containing herbal extracts like Brahmi, Vacha, Shankh Pushpi, all of which show strong immune boosting properties. Kashyap Samhita is the oldest Indian pediatric book which explains Suvarna Prashan in a beautiful way as Suvarna Prashan hi etat medhagni balvardhanam आयुष्यम मंगलम पुण्यम वृष्यम ग्रहापहम मासात् परम मेधावी व्याधिभिर्न धृष्यते षड्भिर्मासे श्रुतधर सुवर्ण प्राशनात् भवेत्. Health benefits of Suvarna Prashan: reduces mental agitation. Suvarna Prashan can effectively reduce temper and tantrums. Due to its calming effects on mind, Suvarna Prashan seems extremely beneficial in children with special needs such as autism, learning difficulties, attention deficit disorder and hyperactivity. Boosts immune system. Suvarna Prashan contains pure gold in the form of ash and some other herbs that are known to enhance the immune power of the body. Administration of Suvarna Prashan in recommended doses can help to build a strong immunity and reduce chances of common infections such as cough, cold and fever. Enhances memory. Suvarna Prashan can improve attention and the grasping power in children. It is also known to enhance the memory. It seems to be very important for improving brain health in children. Improves digestion. Suvarna Prashan accelerates the process of digestion and hence improves the absorption of essential nutrients from food. Many children often suffer from gastric discomfort and reduced appetite. Suvarna Prashan improves appetite and thus promotes healthy growth. Nourishes the skin. Good skin is a sign of good health. Suvarna Prashan expels the unwanted toxins from the body causing total body detoxification. It also improves the blood circulation which further results in improved skin texture and imparts glow to the skin. Improves hearing and vision. Suvarna Prashan is known to improve the sense of hearing and vision. Improves overall physical and mental health. Suvarna Prashan improves the blood circulation in the body and also stimulates the nervous system, thereby leading to overall good physical and mental health. Ingredients of Suvarna Prashan. Suvarna Prashan is a unique combination of Swarna Bhasma or the gold ash mixed with honey and ghee that is fortified with herbal extracts like Vacha, Brahmi, Shankh Pushpi. Suvarna Prashan contains gold as the main ingredient. It is not metallic gold but it is the bhasma of gold which converts gold into nanoparticles. Gold is known to boost immunity as well as enhance memory. Another important ingredient present in Suvarna Prashan is the honey. Honey is prepared by collection of pollen grains. Since pollen grains are known to cause allergic reactions, consumption of honey in very low doses is believed to gradually prepare the body to fight against other allergens. Honey is also known to act against inflammation and improve digestion. Ghee is the third important component of Suvarna Prashan, acts as an effective medium in which herbal medications can be prepared. Ghee helps in crossing the blood-brain barrier. Suvarna Prashan can be given to anyone aged 0 to 16 years. It can be taken daily for a period of 30 days or can be taken specifically on the Pushya Nakshatra. Suvarna Prashan can be given every day as per the below chart. Infants to 5 years, 1 drop every day. 5 to 10 years, 2 drops every day. 10 to 16 years, 3 drops every day. It is to be taken empty stomach in the morning. It is recommended that Suvarn Prashan should be taken on Pushya Nakshatra. Pushya refers to nourishment and Pushya Nakshatra is one of the most auspicious of the 27 Nakshatra. Suvarn Prashan is taken on Pushya Nakshatra to get optimum nourishment and benefits. Suvarn Prashan can be consumed on any other day, however, the efficacy can vary and it may not be as effective as Pushya Nakshatra. In the upcoming videos we shall discuss about the detailed logical importance of Pushya Nakshatra, importance of gold, honey, ghee and herbs in details with clinical studies proving the practical utility of each one of them.